Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, Excel cannot open the file because the file format or file extension is not valid. Fix. Right-click Excel file, click Properties. Click Security tab, click Advanced. Click Change, click Advanced, click Find Now. Select Everyone, click OK. Click Apply, click OK. Click Edit, click Add, type Everyone, click Check Name. Select Everyone, Shell All Allow, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.